Come on, tear and share. Oh, look how soft that is. Look at that. Oh, look at that goo. That is amazing. That is incredible. Oh man. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making the perfect soup roll, or a light roll. We are filling the roll with mashed potato, mozzarella cheese, some onion, fantastic tear and share, dip in your soup. Let's get on. I'm using the stand mixer today just for ease, no messing around. Empty bowl, 250 grams all-purpose plain flour, 250 grams bread flour, sugar, yeast, salt, whizzy. Let's get that all through there. Egg, milk, and some melted butter on the mixer. And get your dough hook on there. Lift up your bowl, and we are going to bring it all together nice and slowly. And then we're going to just increase the speed just a little bit and knead it for 8 minutes. Now all this can be done by hand, but it's a bit of work. On we go. Just bring that all in, increase a little bit, knead for 8 minutes. That's it, job done. Phew. Drop that down. Let's have that off there without looking. That's our wonderful dough in there, off the hook. Fabulous. A bowl, lightly buttered out, and just, well, it's actually quite perfect actually. The dough hook's done a fantastic job, but just bring that over like that, look, tuck it underneath, nice and steady. And just put it in your bowl. Grab something that you're going to cover it with. In my case, my trusty baking plastic bag. There we go. Leave it for an hour till it doubles in size. Put it somewhere warm. If you're living in a cold country, put it somewhere warm so it doubles in size. Usually about an hour or something like that. Hour and a half. There you go. We want some mashed potatoes for this, so get your potatoes, peel or not peel, your choice. I've peeled mine. Put them in some water and a little bit of salt, and we are going to bring them up to the boil, and we're going to mash them in the usual way. Okay, a fork goes in there. Okay, look. Drain the potatoes, and then we're ready for mashing. So tip your milk in round the side, and that's going to warm up before it hits those potatoes. In there, a little bit of butter, a little bit of pepper for me, smidge of salt, and get mashing. There we go, done. Let cool a little minute, and we're going to put some green onion in there. Okay, we should have a fairly cold mashed potato there. This is our fine diced green onion. Put that in there, and we're going to give it a mix through. Now we had to let all this go cold, because if you put hot mashed potato inside the dough, it's going to make the dough split open. You know, it's going to carry steam inside the dough when we wrap it up, so we couldn't have done that. So there you go, that's our filling, apart from mozzarella cheese. Let's be getting in here. Oh, there we go. Look at that thing. Okay, we need to be dropping that out of there, and we want about 70-gram balls. We want 12 of them. So, a bit of flour on the hand, a little bit on there. And let's drop that out of there. Grab yourself a scale. So let's start. 1. Oh, way too much. So that is 70 there. Okay. So we're looking at about that. That's 70. Nice soft dough this. That's 71. You get the idea? We want 12 rolls. So they are more or less the same. Usual, just bring it in like that. Give it a little roll in your hands this time, because we're going to actually flatten it out and put some filling in. And the filling is going to be roughly the same weight as these. It's going to be about 70 grams. We're going to really fill it up. Okay, today's tray is a 10 by 10 and I've lined it. Right, this stuff wants to be about 70 grams each. Now, don't make it too difficult. On there, and you can roll it out, but try and keep it roughly the same thickness. That's in my way. Right, we want to be working out what 70 grams of that stuff looks like. Okay, 70 grams is quite a ball. It looks like that. So we need to just squash that like that a little bit, and we want some mozzarella cheese. So just grab some grated mozzarella, and we're going to stick that in there like that. Now all we're doing is bringing the dough up, and we are going to seal it. Okay, give it a good seal. Like that. Squash it all in like that and give it a good seal. Now we don't want this to break open. And what we do want to do is take our dough ball, and we take our tray and we put that sealed up end down in there. Okay? And we're going to carry on. Okay, there's our super duper rolls in our tray, and all we're going to do now is cover them and let them rise up again for about another 40 minutes. Let them rise up. Come on, these should have come up by now. Let's have a look. Try not to catch them. Oh, looky here. Straight in the oven. The oven's been on at 180. Here we go. Okay, look at those things. Let's get those out of there. Absolutely fabulous. Look at those. Okay, as soon as these come out, melted butter over the top. Oh, it smells absolutely unbelievable in here. Oh, wow. That's going to give us that lovely sheen on the top of these rolls. It's going to soften the top. We're going to have a lovely buttery roll. Now all we got to do is let it have 10 minutes in here, and then we can take it out and put it on the rack to cool down. Right, we just need to drop this out of that tin. Oh, we're out. There we are. Look at that. We need to slide it off this paper. It doesn't need to be on there. And let it cool down a little minute. Come on, tear and share. Oh, look how soft that is. Look at that. Oh, that is absolutely wonderful. Oh, we're going to have to get in here. In we go. I've got this end here, look. Oh, look at that. Look at that gooiness in there. That is fantastic. Look at that. Oh, come on, let's serve it up with some soup. Oh, look at that goo. That is amazing. Come on, we're in. Wow. Look at that goo there. Oh. Oh. That is standalone. That is fantastic. Oh. Oh, that little hint of onion in there is, oh, just, wow. It blows you away. In your soup. That is incredible. That is the ultimate soup roll. Look at that. Look at that. That is incredible. Oh man. Absolutely delicious food. That is superb. Oh, look at that. Wow. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a potato cheese roll. The ultimate soup roll. Wow. And if you do like what we're doing, don't forget the big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video.